Hi, I'm Dave Francis, National Safety Director for Little Giant Ladder Systems, and this is the Conquest. In order to use this ladder, simply press these buttons at the top that are called hinge locks, squeeze them, and they'll lock into the open position, and then open that up into the A-frame position. To change the height of the ladder, squeeze these rock locks at the bottom, and they'll lock in the open position, and then push the inner section of the ladder away from you and allow the outer section to slide down. Now you can stop 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot, 7 foot. Lock those back into place. You don't have to line it right up with the hole, just lock them in place and then move it so that the holes line up, they're spring loaded, and they'll lock into place. Now, repeat that on the other side of the ladder, squeeze at the bottom, and then pull this inner section towards you. Lock those into place, and then allow those to lock into the hole. Now that's going to give you a double-sided A-frame ladder that's rated as a 1A 300-pound ladder on both sides. So in the A-frame position, you can have 2 people working on the ladder at the same time for all of those jobs where you need more than 1 or 2 hands. Again, just squeeze that rock lock at the base, locking it open, and then allow that ladder to lower down 1 rung and then lock it back into place. That's going to put your ladder right up against the wall or into a corner or up against the vehicle so you're not leaning the ladder against it. Come around to this side, climb up the ladder and work directly into the job instead of twisting and reaching over and working at an angle. If you're going to work in uneven surfaces or staircases, you want to unlock those rock locks again, adjust it to whatever the angle of that slope or staircase is, lock it back into place, and then safely work up and down a staircase, something that you can't do with a traditional A-frame ladder. Now this ladder can also be used as an extension ladder. Now to open it into the extension position, you're going to want to push these palm buttons or hinge locks at the top. They'll lock in the open position, and then lay this down on the ground completely in the open position, get those hinges to lock back in place. Now, unlock your rock locks and telescope each side, and again you can stop at any one of those rungs depending on how big of an extension ladder you need. Telescope that out. Now you're going to want to flip the ladder so that the rungs are going to be on the right side when you stand it up. So we're going to rotate that ladder around, lay it back down on the ground. Make sure that the flared end is up against the wall. Come up to the straight end and then walk that ladder up rung by rung using that wall for support. Once you get it stood all the way up, grab the base of the ladder, pull it out away from the wall at a 4-to-1 ratio. So for every 4 feet up, you come out 1 foot. The easiest way to do that is put your feet at the bottom of the ladder, hold your arms straight out at shoulder height, put the palms of your hand on the rung. Everybody's body is built at a 4-to-1 angle. That'll set your ladder up at the proper angle. Now to get the ladder back down, push it back up against the wall, and again, rung by rung, walk that ladder back until you can safely set it on the ground. Then reverse the process, flip that back over, and then telescope those outer sections back in. Unlock Your hinge locks in the middle, and then raise that back up. This is the Conquest by Little Giant Ladder Systems.